In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom emojis for your Notion workspace. If you want to give your workspace a more personalized look, adding custom emojis is a quick and simple way to do it. Custom emojis can help your team express ideas more visually, make pages feel more on brand, and add a bit of personality to your workspace without changing the overall setup. The good news is that the process only takes a moment once you know where to look. To get started, open your Notion workspace and look toward the top left corner of the sidebar. You'll need to access your workspace settings first, depending on the version of Notion you are using. You may do this by clicking your current workspace name, or by selecting the Settings and Members option in that same area. This is where Notion keeps the controls for customizing and managing your workspace, so if you ever need to update shared settings in the future, this is a useful place to remember. Once you are inside the Settings menu, look for the Emoji section. Click on Emoji to open the custom emoji settings for your workspace. This is the area where you can manage the emojis available to people using that workspace. If you don't immediately see it, take a second to scan the menu carefully, since settings layouts can sometimes look slightly different depending on your account or interface updates. After that, click Add Emoji. Notion will prompt you to choose an image file from your computer. Select the image you want to use, then give your emoji a unique name. Choosing a clear name is helpful, especially if your workspace will have several custom emojis, because it makes them easier to find later when people search for them. It's also a good idea to use an image that is simple and easy to recognize at a small size, since emojis are typically displayed very small within pages and comments. When everything looks good, click Save. As soon as you do, your custom emoji will be added to your workspace library and become available for use within that workspace. From there, you can start using it anywhere custom emojis are supported in Notion. And that's it. The process is straightforward. Open your workspace settings, go to the emoji section, upload your image, name it, and save it. Once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat whenever you want to add more custom visuals to your workspace.